So, Ozpin turned you two into birds. A crow and a raven. Ironic.
You two have become what you're named after? Yeah, and your point is? Then, are you still allowed to have poultry? Or is it cannibalism now?
He turned me into a vegan bird.
What did you say?
Qrow? No, Ty's asking a very important question here.
An important question. Here's one. Why is my name spelled with a Q?
Bring it up to your parents, Qrow. I don't know.
Dude, it was just a simple question.
Okay, Qrow, this is why you have parent issues. And I'm the one that's chief of the tribe now. Jesus.